Model 2017 Transit Custom 292.0 TDCI Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs Camper Body, Silver, Panel Van Mileage, 106722 MOT, 4 June 2024 Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Engine starts and idles perfectly, just a simple turbo replacement is needed. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. The previous owner had started to convert this to a camper van, hence the two side windows and the fact that it has been fully insulated and carpeted. Features: electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £9,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111